Question number 34. Some resistors and the battery of EMF E are negligible interval resistors connected in series as shown. Okay. Which statement is correct? These are all resistors over here. The EMF across each resistor equals the potential difference across the battery. Definitely incorrect. First of all, the terminology itself is incorrect. You cannot use EMF for a resistance. You have to use EMF only for a battery, for a source. Okay. So therefore, this is incorrect. The potential difference across each resistor equals to EMF E of the battery. No. Okay, see, potential difference here is getting, it gets divided. So the EMF actually gets divided by this one. So EMF E will be equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3 plus V4. This is what you should get. Okay, so therefore this is also incorrect because it says V1 is equal to E, V2 equal to E, V3 equal to E, and V4 equal to E, which is incorrect. Some of the EMFs, as I already told you, you cannot have EMFs across the resistor. This is also incorrect. So 3 are gone. Fourth one should be the right answer. Sum of the potential differences across the resistors equal to EMF of the battery. That's the right option. Okay.